going to speak about mechanical ventilation. Mechanical ventilation means putting a patient on the ventilator. Normally, people believe that once a person is getting into ventilator, that means to say it's almost end of the game. It's not like that. Mechanical ventilation is a life-saving procedure. It is done for many problems in our body. It can be done for a brain problem, lung problem, heart or kidney problem, and it is a life-saving. It keeps us alive till the primary problem resolves. A simple example, a person with a snake bite, usually people with a snake bite die because of extensive muscle paralysis. And if they reach the hospital within time and you put them on the ventilator takes care of the breathing part because of the muscle paralysis. And once it recovers, these people recover completely and go home, and they recover completely without any residual damage. So mechanical ventilation is a life-saving procedure, and as and when there is an advanced disease which is beyond recovery, we only suggest the family not to go for mechanical ventilation. Otherwise, mechanical ventilation is indicated in all reversible conditions where it is a lifesaver. Thank you.